Hi everybody, welcome to Jupiter channel. I am Natya Hunasekoppa. In this video, I would like to explain a problem which was asked in NET examination during June 2019. Sanjay sold an article at a loss of 25%. If the selling price had been increased by Rs 175, there would have been a gain of 10%. What was the cost price of the article? Here we need to understand the problem properly. So he sold an article at 10% loss. So they haven't given the selling price. They have just provided the percentage of loss to cost price. And they haven't given the cost price also. And if he had increased selling price by 175 rupees, there would have been a gain of 10%. If he had increased selling price by 175 rupees, he would have earned 10% profit. Now we need to arrive at cost price. So here one thing we need to understand, there are not readily available formulas. So many students make this mistake. So they believe that we need to apply one or two formulas to arrive at the required solution. But this is not the case. They make up their mind to certain formulas and they go to examinations and they get confused. Here we need to formulate our own formula. We should be developing that skill. Now let us resolve this problem. We need to assume cost price is Rs 100 because we have information in percentages. If cost price was 100, the selling price would be 75 rupees because he had incurred 25% loss. If we deduct 25% from 100, this would be 75 rupees. And to arrive at 10% gain, we need to sell it for 110 rupees. We need to add 10% to the cost price of Rs 100. Then there would be a gain of 10%. So how much we need to increase to earn 10% gain from a loss of 25%? So we need to deduct 110 rupees from 75 rupees. Then it would be 35 rupees. 35 rupees for 100 means 35%. So apply the same to our problem. ₹35 had to be increased for a cost price of 100. And what would be the cost price if we increase selling price by 175 rupees? We need to apply this formula here using this logic. We need to divide 100 by 35. So what it says, 100 rupees cost is for the incremental value of 35 rupees. And what would be the cost for the incremental value of 175 rupees? So this is 500 rupees. So 500 rupees is the cost price. So 500 rupees was the cost price. So now we can cross verify this. You should not be taking this much of time in examinations. First you need to read the problem and then analyze it properly. He sold at a loss of 25%, and if he had increased selling price by 175 rupees, he would have earned 10% profit. What was the selling price? We have 175 rupees here. We need to calculate what percentage is this to cost price. What is this 175 rupees? This is the incremental value to selling price where he had incurred 25% loss. If we add this amount to that selling price, we would arrive at a price where he would be earning 10% gain. If we add 25% of cost to that selling price, we would arrive at cost price, and again if we add 10% to it, we arrive at 10% gain. 25% plus 10%, 25% to cover the loss and 10% to arrive at profit. So 35%. ₹175 is 35% to cost price, because we need to add 35% of cost price to arrive at 10% gain from a loss of 25%. Now it is easy to calculate. If 35% is 175 rupees, 100% is 500. So 500 was the cost price. So this is how you need to analyze and calculate. This is not that every time they will ask a question like this. We need to analyze that at that point of time and formulate our own formula to arrive at solution. Thank you.